Hi folks, this is Jay Hall down here at Motor Sportsland at 4001 South State. I'm going to take a moment today and show you all about the new Chateau 24F from Thor. Great Class C motor coach. We'll take a little tour around the outside and then we'll go inside and show you all the other features. So follow me. You can see here, this is a Chevy chassis that is the 4500 chassis called the Stabilitrack, which gives you a great smooth ride, not very much roll at all whatsoever, proven to be very, very successful. Underneath the hood here, we've got the 6.0 liter V8 Chevy engine with 323 horsepower and 378 pounds of torque, which gives you that 8,000 pound hitch on the back. So with the horsepower and the torque, you're going to have plenty of towing capacity for a small car, a boat, an off-road vehicle. It'll suit all your needs and perform very well. Obviously, you've got the beautiful Chateau full front painted cap with a rollover feature and your super sleep cab up above, and we'll take a look at that closer when we get inside. Coming around to this other side now, I want to point out the slide out, which is almost a full length, and you're going to see here, folks, that you've got what's called the Schwintek glide system. Even at the top, it's a double glide rack. Schwintek has proven over the years to be very reliable, very smooth, and very effective. Now, oftentimes, when you're looking at a Class C, you won't always see an awning over the slide out itself. The Chateau, of course, comes with that awning, and the benefit to you is you don't have to worry about pine cones and tree debris and other items collecting on top, so when you close that slide out, it remains nice and clean. No problems there. Right here, of course, is your city water connection. You simply hook the hose into there for when you're in a campground. If you're dry camping, of course, then you're going to fill your water tank and feed from there. Outdoor hot and cold shower, very convenient for rinsing off after you've been down to the beach or out hiking through the woods, or the kids just need to, have a little bit of fun. Great thing to have. Up here, just a nice extra, and you'll notice LED lights throughout, both in your exterior storage areas and, of course, in the interior. So nice large extra square storage space with a flop down door, so it makes it easy to get stuff in and out. Beautiful white paint job, as you can see, in a navy blue, a silver gray, and a black, really sharp looking, very, very nice. Now, talking about storage, here again, LED lights, and you can see, very nicely set up so that you've got a two-layer system, shelf that comes back here on the top, and then the bottom storage with a bit of a pass-through so you can put your fishing poles or skis or whatever else you might have there. And a huge access door. That's such a nice advantage because oftentimes in other coaches the door wants to lift up and you got to duck down underneath it. This is so much more convenient for loading and unloading all of your camping gear. Here, of course, you've got your Santa flush. In other words, a black tank flush. When you get finished at that trip, hook up the hose, turn it on full blast, and rinse out that black tank so that you don't have that nasty odor when you return to the trailer again or the coach the next time you decide to head out on the road. Big full roof ladder, easy for access should you worry about anything hitting the roof and you want to get up and double check it. The roof is a fully walkable 350-pound roof. There's your 8,000 pound trailer hitch down here at the bottom. So again, towing cars, boats, off-road vehicles, very, very strong, very sturdy. When we come back around to the front side again, and we get kind of a panorama, you can see here the very bright, and we're inside, so you can imagine the illumination that will give to you at the evening hours. It's a beautiful, beautiful LED light strip and a power awning that comes out probably about to where I'm standing. So you've got a big, full, enclosed, covered patio during the nighttime or during those rainstorms. While you're out here enjoying the patio, you've got your entertainment center that's built on the outside. So you've got a 27-inch high-end TV, flat screen TV, with your speaker bar system and your Bluetooth friendly, so you can stream your movies, your DVDs, your audio right through the system to enjoy everything on the outside. Again, LED lights in your storage cabinets, a little extra spacing on both sides. Easy to clean and wipe out because they're not carpeted. That's a nice feature, especially for the dirt that we all end up gathering as we're traveling and going down those dirt roads into camping grounds. So follow me, let's go on inside here. Let me just point out, by the way, the 12-year structural warranty and the six-year lamination warranty. Very, very important so that you don't have to worry about delam and structural damage happening in those years of the period. Now, one of the things that impresses me most about the 24F is we're talking about a 24-foot Class C, which is one of the smaller sizes. But yet, if you look, if I spread my arms out, look at this spaciousness that you have inside here when this slide is out. So plenty of room to move about, even if you had extra people staying, to put an inflatable mattress on the floor for more sleeping capacity. But speaking of sleeping capacity, of course, you've got a big 4-person dinette here. The table simply pushes down. It converts into a bed for some of those smaller individuals. Then as we come to the rear, of course, big wide open again, nice queen-size bed, fully walkable. You can move all around it. And in the bedroom, you've got a 32-inch flat screen TV that again is Bluetooth friendly, so you can stream your videos and do all of the entertainment series that you choose. Cabinetry is awesome. Big double wide mirrors. And I want you to get a close look at the depth of this closet. That is a huge hanging wardrobe. And look at how deep this goes for shoes, blankets, any other extra folding clothes and items. Then you've got your drawers underneath. And again, more storage. Even comes with a garbage can. So, now speaking of cabinetry, I want to come over here. Obviously, you've got your 2-door fridge, but then you've got your pantry. And these are very, very nice pull-out pantry storage racks. So easy to put spices, different things in there, roll them out and have access to them. Up here, you've got an actual convection microwave oven. You can do so much more with a microwave convection than you can some of the smaller ovens. However, you get the double benefit in this particular floor plan because you also have the oven itself. So you have the best of both worlds there. Speaking of cooking, you've got a beautiful glass recessed 3-burner Furrion stove. Furrion is one of the top-rated stove manufacturers in the RV industry. And you've got your lighted knobs, which is very attractive. It's just a great performing and a great looking stove to enhance the beauty of the interior. Now, I'm going to come over here. You've got, of course, your sink covers. Now you've got a great big stainless steel barn-style sink. Easy to get your pots and pans in, not shallow, not small, so you don't have to worry about putting part in. You can submerge everything. And then, of course, they put in the pull-down spray faucet, and that is a Delta high-end quality faucet they put in. Let's take a look at the fridge here real quick. You got a double door, 3-way power, generator, or battery propane fridge that will operate no matter what condition you're in, if you're dry camping or if you're in an organized campground. Nice large storage area up here for pie tins, cake sheets, cake pans, etc. And then over here, you've got a 45-degree angle on the bathroom door. I want to point out that is a high-quality porcelain toilet, not plastic. So it's much more stable, much more sanitary, and it lasts a lot longer than the cheaper plastics that you might find in lesser quality manufacturers. Big, huge shower, plenty of room there, and it has a very high skylight in that shower, so those taller guys that are 6'2" and over can still fit into the shower without having to duck their head. Now we're going to turn around here, and now up here you've got another 32-inch in your over cab sleep area, and this of course swings out, and the pad comes in like this, drops down into place. Your ladder simply hooks into here. Now you've got a room for 2 more adults sleeping comfortably up here on a nicely padded area. The TV arm is a full swing out bracket so that everybody within the coach can see whatever it is you're choosing to watch. Easy to push back and easy to put this back up in. If you don't have extra passengers with you, a little thing that a lot of people do, this turns into a great extra storage area. So if it's just the 2 of you out there traveling for a while, lots of space for all of your little blankets, pillows, whatever. The front cab area, nicely done and designed. I want to show you this once I move this back out again. This is a very easy step in, sit down, and get into your seat position. Many Class Cs don't have this kind of head clearance, and so you're oftentimes having to duck down your head. You're trying to fight past an emergency brake. This is very easy, very convenient, so that passenger, while the other person is driving, can turn and come right out of the coach and out of the cab and go back to the back coach, into the fridge, into the bathroom, even to go back and lay down on the bed. You've got an easy visual LED lit screen that also becomes your backup camera the minute you go into reverse. So it illuminates there and you can see everything that's going on in the rear of the vehicle as you maneuver backwards. You'll notice on the sides here, very large side mirrors with a small reflector mirror in the bottom. So very easy to adjust and get rid of those blind spots. They are power and they are heated so that in the wintertime they won't fog up and freeze up on you. Up above you've got your air conditioning, which is a 15,000 BTU air conditioning system, fully vented. And then you've got a 15,000 BTU, or excuse me, 30,000 BTU furnace to heat up the rest of the coach on those colder camping nights. Great value, great quality. Thor, of course, has been making Class C motorhomes for many years. All of this all wrapped up into the beautiful coach of the Chateau 24F, a great floor plan in a small size.
Let Sportsland guide you to the dreams that live